Looking for the best baby bottle brushes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 baby bottle brushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Boon Cacti Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. This brush set stands out for its unique cacti design that's both attractive and practical. Includes 4 brushes of different sizes, and a base for storage and display. Made without BPA. Not only are these bottle brushes useful for cleaning all types of baby bottles, but they fit well on aesthetically on a countertop. Brushes may show wear prematurely. 2 smaller brushes have metal wire tips that can damage nipples. At number 2. Philips Avent Bottle Brush in Grey. We like this bottle's angle design that cleans hard to reach crevices. Tough bristles and strong handle are built to last, and don't contain BPA. Available at a low price point. This affordable brush will pay for itself, as its durable materials are likely to last as long as you are using baby bottles. Not ideal for cleaning nipples or very small baby bottles. At number 1. Dr. Brown's Deluxe Bottle Brush in Aqua. Features nylon bristles that are strong enough to clean thoroughly but soft enough to prevent damage. Contoured handle has ridges on the end for cleaning nipples. Includes a suction cup for upright storage. BPA free. A well-made baby bottle brush from a reputable brand that cleans effectively without damaging bottles. Brush head is too large to fit inside some smaller bottles. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.